Alert space enthusiasts. If you've tracked the enigmatic path of this interstellar visitor dubbed Atlas on Cosmic Discoveries, brace for a bombshell update that's rewriting the rules of cosmic travel. As it zipped past the sun's fiery embrace on late October's 29th, bizarre twists emerged that have top astronomers, including Harvard's renowned Avi Loeb, scratching their heads in awe. Picture this: unexpected pushes, path shifts, and sightings defying all logic. Dive in with me to uncover the essentials. Right at that solar skim on the 29th, the sharp-eyed ALMA array spotted a jaw-dropping mismatch. Our guest was displaced by 4 arcseconds from where math said it should be. Sure, that seems tiny on earthly scales, but out there among the void, it's a screaming red flag. We're dealing with extra gravitational boosts, some mysterious nudge overriding the sun's pull on this wanderer. And trust me, that's no everyday comet quirk. Cut to B-roll swirling solar flares. Plus, captures from Soho's stereo setup and GOES 19 nabbed a spectacle like none before. This thing lit up brighter than history's wildest comets and shifted to a hue cooler than sunlight itself. That's anomaly number 9 locked in. Yet the real game changer looms large. Suppose this is your garden variety icy drifter undergoing such a shove. It'd demand shedding no less than 15% of its bulk. Imagine over 5 billion tons vaporized into a sprawling haze encircling it. MC1. Now fast forward to December 19th, 2025, mere weeks from now, when Atlas swings nearest our blue marble. Should that evaporation hold true, spotting the fallout haze would be child's play. Miss it entirely? Boom. Anomaly 10 materializes, a body gaining speed sans any mass giveaway. That, dear viewers, shatters every comet law in the book. SFX. Dramatic whoosh. Loeb himself highlights how this solar near-miss opens doors to probing light-warping bends from the sun's mass. Essentially, stellar tug distorts rays from our intruder, spilling secrets on its essence. His math pegs the warp at 0.27 arcseconds, subtle, yet within grasp. For newcomers or those needing a refresher on this mind-bending tale, let's rewind through the full dossier on Atlas. This goes beyond mere rock-from-afar yarns. It might etch itself as humanity's grandest cosmic revelation. Zoom in. Animated timeline graphic. Third verified starhopper in our logs, trailing Oumuamua's 2017 debut and Borisov's 2019 flyby. Yet Atlas eclipses them in every wild way. Start with stature. It's a millionfold heftier than Oumuamua, 1,000 times the girth of Borisov. Visualize Oumuamua as a mere pebble. Atlas rivals a towering skyscraper in scope. Speed seals the deal too, outpacing its predecessors. Odds of pairing such bulk with velocity? Under 0.1%. Like unearthing an athlete who's both a giant and a sprinter supreme. Quote, "What if the stars sent us a giant that's too quick for its own good?" MC2. Time to dissect the 9 oddities rendering Atlas utterly alien. Anomaly 1. Orbit odds at 0.2%. It's barreling backward against planetary flow, a quirky path on its own. But align that reverse course to within 5 degrees of our system's flat disk? That's precision begging questions. Think firing a curveball blindfolded dead into the strike zone. Natural shot? Just 0.2% likely. Anomaly 2. Sunward spout, utterly novel. Midsummer 2025, from July through August, it sprouted a stream aimed straight at Sol. Comets. They melt and trail outward, solar breeze shoving vapors rearward, textbook mechanics. Atlas flipped the script with a forward-pointing streamer. Cut to B-roll, comet tail animation reversed. Ice worlds don't pull that stunt. It upends our space ice playbook. Anomaly 3. Bulk velocity mismatch under 0.1%. Echoing earlier, it's a behemoth among star-crossers, yet zips ahead. Physics favors heft-slowing pace for momentum balance, like elephants versus hares in a race. Why's this colossus cheating nature's rules? Anomaly 4. Impeccable schedule, at 0.005%. The stats stagger here. It timed its swing to graze mere tens of millions of clicks from Mars, Venus, Jupiter, while vanishing from terrestrial eyes right at solar peak. Grasp the lunacy. It's akin to juggling 4 pins flawlessly amid a blackout. 5 in 100,000 chance. Ever wonder how something from eternity nails our cosmic calendar so perfectly? MC3. Anomaly 5. Odd metal mix, under 1% probable. Light split scans show nickel dwarfing iron way beyond comet norms. Weirder still, it mirrors our factory-forged steels. Wild-born frosts carry solar birthright ratios. This defies the forge of stars. Anomaly 6. Water drought, freakishly rare. These wanderers are frost-laden dirt clods, water-dominating mass. Atlas, mere 4% H2O. Picture a snowbank that's 96% grit, redefining comet from the ground up. Anomaly 7. Wild light twist under 1% odds. Sunbeams bounce off it with a savage negative spin signature unseen in peers, even confirmed naturals like Borisov. Lights dance? Atlas mangles it like no earthly or stellar stuff should. Anomaly 8. Signal shadow at 0.6%. Its launch vector hugs within 9 degrees the famed WOW burst's source, that 1977 radio enigma hailed as ET's strongest whisper. 9 degrees? In galactic sprawl, its neighbors knocking doors, like ships crossing lanes in fog, perilously close. Anomaly 9. Azure flare-up, fresh find. At sun's doorstep, it outshone comet legends and chilled to bluer than daylight. Normal ices can't conjure that glow without breaking physics. Zoom out, spectral graph. And teetering as potential 10th, that ALMA nudge screams for billions in lost tonnage, demanding a visible wreck storm. December's Earth skim? Make or break for haze hunt. No show? Acceleration sans sacrifice. Comet lore in tatters. MC4. This cascade of quirks? It's igniting fierce debates among stargazers. Harvard's astrophysics titan Avi Loeb urges probing if Atlas skews synthetic. Not yelling ET phone home, mind. Loeb's methodical. Mismatched data demands bold probes no matter the stretch. Detractors dub him dreamer, but he counters, breakthroughs bloom from paradigm pokes. Recall Galileo's orbital heresy or Einstein's space-time scorn. Loeb embodies inquiry. Facts first, odds crunched, verdict pending more proof. Should Atlas prove crafted or engineered, ripples would quake realities. Beyond mere life out there. Envision builders hurling probes across voids like cosmic couriers. A probe from stars knocking on our door. Yet even a novel natural breed expands horizons, rewriting starseed lore. Vital weeks ahead to crack this enigma. December's peaks at Atlas's Earth whisper yield hard truths on quirks aplenty. Debris dodge? 10th oddity dawns. Spot it? 1 puzzle lifts, 8 linger. Win or learn, Atlas reshapes our stellar gaze forever. Cut to B-roll, starry approach. We're amid an epical pivot, friends. Be it freak frost, relic tech, or unimaginable other, it prods our cosmic certainties. Best part, no eons of wait. Imminent scans promise chunks of closure. So your take on this interstellar intrigue? Icy oddball, star-forged machine, or wild card unknown? Drop hunches below. Craving every twist in this epic? Hit like to fuel cosmic discoveries, and subscribe. December's set to stun. Catch you in the cosmos. SFX, uplifting chime. What secrets does Atlas whisper as it nears? MC5. Let's linger on Loeb's lens a beat longer, shall we? His work isn't fringe, it's the grind of genius questioning voids. That lensing calc? It peels layers we couldn't touch otherwise. And the mass loss math? If bypassed, we're in uncharted propulsion territory. Ever ponder if our probes could mimic such feats one day? The metallic echo to Earth alloys, coincidence or clue? Spectro teams are double-checking, but the resemblance chills. Water scarcity flips comet scripts. Maybe it's a rogue from drier realms, or engineered dry for endurance. Polarization prank? Labs scramble to replicate with synthetics. Wow whisper? Archives rescanned for overlaps. Each thread tugs toward tomorrow's headlines. As Atlas arcs inward, global scopes train on it, amateur and pro alike. your backyard binocs might snag the show. December 19th, mark calendars, rally scopes. If haze hides, headlines scream, anomaly alert. If not, we chase the 8 unsolved. Either path, science surges. Cut to B-roll telescope montage. This isn't hype, it's horizon shift. From Oumuamua's cigar tease to Borisov's chem hints, Atlas amps the ante. Loeb's call echoes SETI's steady hunt, blending stats with speculation. Critics? They'll fade if data delivers. We're witnesses to wonder unfolding. So again, comet curiosity or cosmic craft? Comments crave your cosmic code. Like if this sparked your stars, shout out cosmic discoveries. Sub for Saga Sustains. Next drop soon.